What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons checking in with another video for y'all. Founder of the Clean Biz Network. Forgot to say that little intro part, but anyway, told myself I'm gonna try to start closing this y'all strong and start giving y'all more just raw videos off the cuff. You know what I mean? You see, I'm right here now, working from home today. I'm literally on my computer, back here typing up these questions for Mila, the host keeper. I'm about to interview her again. She's the queen of Airbnb, y'all. So you definitely don't want to miss that one. But anyway, I want to talk about why you probably shouldn't subcontract. And what I mean is, now, first off, I know I'm probably confusing you, so let me break it down. First off, I'm a huge fan of subcontracting. That's how I built my cleaning company. That's what I'm all about, right? But here's the thing, though. Some of y'all, let me say it this way. I think there's a trend going on right now. People want to set up. You know how, like, when the pandemic came, right? And DoorDash and Uber Eats and all these food delivery companies really blew up. And a lot of that is because they came out with these ghost kitchens, right? To where these restaurants weren't even real restaurants, but it would just like had a kitchen they set up, they cook, and they just deliver food. That's how they made all of their money just off a ghost kitchen, right? And I think that idea is genius, but I wouldn't try to set up a ghost cleaning company because I see a lot of people doing, especially in the residential side, and people think they're gonna bring that over here to this commercial side, and I'm just telling you, I don't think that's gonna fly. As a matter of fact, I don't think it's gonna fly too much longer in the residential side either, because don't nobody want no different companies keep coming to their house to clean. All right, so I don't think this is gonna be a long term play, but this is what I want to say on this, because I do believe that you should systemize your company, set it up so that you got subcontractors, you know what I mean, and working for you. But here's the thing: don't just sub out, man. You need an actual training program. Now the problem is you can't train 1099 contractors, right? Because they're not your employees. You can only train employees, right? Well, what you should do instead is maybe set up some type of apprenticeship or business incubator to where you're teaching them how to be entrepreneurs, right? Or you're teaching them, maybe you're holding certification classes, right? That's independent of them working for you. Like, this is stuff that they can use in general, right? Maybe that's what you should be doing instead. So that's why I had came out with, and I know I don't want you to think this is some type of infomercial, but it's naturally I have to say it because it is what it is. But that's what made me come out with the cleaning biz automation course, was because I realized people like, because what I do with here at Clean Biz Network is I try to fix every single problem that I find. Like, people couldn't bid, so I came out with Calculated Clean, which is now the Clean Biz Network app, right? I combine Calculated Clean and Clean Biz Network. If you've been around long enough, you know about Calculated Clean. But it's bidding calculator, proposal generator, all of that, right? And I came out with that, so I was like, bam, now you ain't gotta guess the price. You just plug in square footage, and then my calculator tell you how much to charge, right? Then people's like, well, do you got any forms and templates? And I came up with the proposal generator. So now it was like a proposal. You put the information in there, and it's a service agreement attached to it, so you ain't got to worry about how to get them to sign the contract, all of that, right? What else people need? Customers. So I came out with the lead generation. People need equipment. I come out with a starter kit. People need coaching or some type of network where they can just ask questions freely. I come out with the Clean Biz Network. You can log in as a whole social network just for the cleaning business community, right? But then over time, it's like, bam, I got customers out the way. I got pricing out the way. I got supplies out the way. Everything, you name it, Clean Biz Network has it, right? But the only thing we didn't have was, all right, what about hiring? We need some quality workers. Don't nobody want to work, AJ. That's why I came out with Cleaning Biz Automation Program, because number one, I would say, y'all know the three modules in it, is number one is going to show you how to hire your own callers, your cold callers in-house, so you can create your own in-house lead generation company within your own company, right? So you ain't got to pay my company to get leads. You got your own thing. All right, so that's number one. But module two is the one that fixes this new problem of don't nobody want to work. Okay, well, if they don't want to work, cool. You didn't want to be an employee either, did you? So what you can do instead is just teach people how to be entrepreneurs, and then y'all partner together. They subcontract for you. I mean, you provide them with you show them how to be an entrepreneur. Then they sub for you for their first initial business, and then after that, they can go grow and get their own customers or however they want to do it, y'all. Just that simple. Then module three is when we wrap it all into one big thing. I show you how to put together like a CRM and tie it all together with all your proposals, all your leads, all your subcontractors, and bring it into one big automated system. So, but that's what Clean Biz Automation is. But my point is this though: My real point on this video, though, other than I did plug a little bit of Clean Biz Automation courses, I think you should get that. And if you're interested in it, go to cleanbiznetwork.com and scroll down to that and you can get it, right? But anyway, my point of this video, though, is really to tell you, yes, you should subcontract, but don't try to set up no ghost cleaning company where you think you're just going to get you an LLC. You're going to go out here, get buildings to clean, and then just sub everything out and you never touch anything and you're just making all this free money. I'm telling you now, I don't see that working. I don't see that flying. These companies ain't going for that. So instead, what you got to do is you got to do it, but do it in a way that actually makes sense. So if you want me to show you how to do it that way, I recommend that you go to cleanbiznetwork.com and scroll down to Clean Biz Automation. And if you don't want to pay for that course, that's fine. Sit on YouTube and scour my whole YouTube channel, see if you can piece the information together for yourself. But honestly, it ain't just the information that's in that course. It's really more so the templates, the strategy, the plug and play systems that I provide my partners with, right? Because you become a partner with me too if you decide to get in this program, all right? So we got a few people set up. I got some interviews coming from the people who's taken that already. Shout out to, I guess I can name a few people, but shout out to Miss Van Tressa. Shout out to Bobito, who he came on a few times for an interview, but I probably get him again just because he killing it so much. Everything new I put out, he get it. You know what I mean? He be on top of it, and he applied, and that's why he doing multiple tens of thousands of dollars every single month. You know what I mean? With his cleaning company. So, but anyway, if you're interested, cleanbiznetwork.com. Other than that, y'all, hopefully y'all got some value from this video. Do not just think you about to get no LLC and sub everything out and don't touch the work. Not initially. You got to do it a particular type of way, y'all. And I'm going to show you that because a lot of people up here just telling you to do that shit. And I don't believe in that. I don't think it's going to fly. But anyway, I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here. I'll talk to y'all next time. Thank you.